friends, here's Natalia from Mamatime Posh. Thank you so much for joining me in, and please like and subscribe. Help me get a little bit more views and get found by people that might also be reselling and need some brands they trying to learn. If that makes sense. Need some. Anyway, sorry. Just had my coffee. It's early morning. Kids are at school. My brain is just waking up. Okay. All right. Let's go to the haul. So the first item I showed on my little thumbnail is this beautiful snake leather bag I bought it specifically to sell on Real Real, and it's Stuart Weissman, and this brand sells for good amounts, especially on Real Real or Thredup, and it was for $19.99, which is, I usually don't pay this much, but I looked up the comps and it was selling for between 100 and 175 on Real Real, so I figured I'd give it a chance. It looks pretty good. Has lots of compartments. It's a little bit, a few dirty spots, but I'll clean it up. Otherwise, it's in excellent condition. And actually I got 20% off everything I purchased, so I got 20% off the 20, so like $4 off. So that was the first bag that I paid up for. Another one I paid up for, and I usually don't pay a lot for stuff because that's the point, but this one I thought it was pretty cute and good for spring, lighter color. That's Marc Jacobs, which I also looked up, and it sells for about the same as the Stuart Weitzman, for about 100 to 175 on the Real Real and Thredup, and it looks pretty good. I will clean it up a little, but looks not bad, not very worn. Genuine patent leather. Has little what is it? Studs feet here with also logo on them. So I thought I will give it a try. Okay, so this is it, and I paid. It was, I think, $29, but it was 20% off, so like $6 off. Now we'll see. Hopefully I make money on those. So that was my gumball. We'll see. Hopefully. Anyway, next brand, I actually paid very little because thankfully that was brand people in my thrift store didn't know. It was $5.99. It was half off, so it was $3. And this brand is Charo. I don't know. But I actually purchased this brand before. It's, you can see the quality. It's leather lined, beautiful, well made bag. Has the logo in here. Very nicely made, like I said, and has a little bit minimal wear, but anyway, this brand sells for a lot on Real Real, again for over $100, and also on Thredup. So that was great that they didn't know that brand, because they do know a lot. This one, actually my husband was with me and he helped me out. Just rare, I usually don't get his help, but it was very nice to have somebody look it up as I was looking at items, and made it faster for sure. But he picked up some stuff. Picked up this hoodie from Adidas, extra large. That good 15, maybe $20, and it was half off, and it was $3.50. So we'll give it a try. Next item, I think that, yes, Columbia extra large sweater jacket with shearling here, but it has big spot somewhere here in front, here, but I think it's gonna come off, so wash it, clean it up, and it should sell for, it's like a spring jacket, so it should sell right now. I'm just looking at what it's made of. Okay. But Columbia can sell, especially men's and bigger sizes, so I gave it a try. Next item is this beautiful belt. Snake skin, look how beautiful. It has very, not really any, no wear really. And look, has Marcari details, like vintage style. How beautiful. Very well made. Size large, and it's from Judith Jack. And I did not know this brand, but again, I looked it up and it was selling for quite a bit for a belt, so I'm like, score. And I think I only paid, it was $6.99, but I think it was half off, so I took it. Next item is this bag, which needs a little bit cleaning, but another one I got from this brand sold quickly. It's Carlos Pauci, and you can actually find it on eBay for low prices, and it sells for a lot on here, on Real Real and Thredup. This one I only paid $6, and it's genuine leather, big tote bag, light color, perfect for spring, so I got it. Next item, which I was very happy because all the bags were really expensive there, and I sold this exact bag a few times already. This is vintage, I think it's vintage. Anyway, it's a Coach bag, genuine leather, bucket, and bucket styles sell really quick. This style, either real vintage or the remake that they did a few years back in like 2000, year 2000 or so, they made a bunch of remakes of the vintage styles. But anyway, this bag nobody took, and all the Coach bags were ridiculous there. Usually I used to get them for a few bucks, and now they really price them high for like 40 for nothing special, dirty bag. This one was $19.99, but it was half off, so $10. I got it. That's easy between $40 to even $80, and I sell them all the time, every time, and they bring a lot of traffic. Next one is yet another Brighton. You know, guys, I like Brighton. And this one I thought was cool. It's like a tote bag, a little bigger, could fit your even smaller laptop or definitely iPad. So I got it. It was $6.99. And now we have a belt. Again, Brighton. I might keep it for myself. It matches my bag. But it's cool because it's stretchy. It doesn't really look like it has any wear, and you know, this would be bent and cracking, so it was $5.99, so it was half off, so $3. That was a good deal. Next item, also my husband picked up. It was half off, so $3.50. A large, loose, it's Under Armour light jacket. I think it's good time for it too. Has pockets, black and gray. It's yeah, size large, so I got it. Next item, also my husband found, is Michael Kors belt, which, like you know, Michael Kors can be hit and miss, but it was $5. It's genuine leather, and yeah, it doesn't really look like it has much wear. So I figured let's try. And next one is Callaway, which I think he said it was golfing. I might be wrong. Golfing or something jacket, but I thought this was good for, like, you know, if somebody goes fishing in the morning or golfing or walking. So it's really nice jacket, and also I got it for like $3.50, size large. So it's just for kids. Oh, this bag, I don't know, I kind of bought it, but I regret it. I paid $10. It is a Coach bag, and it's nice. Everything looks good, except it's super dirty. See that? I don't know if you guys see, but it is fabric, so I'm gonna try some OxyClean. It has nice leather snake embossed detail. It has cool logo. So I'm gonna try to clean it up. Inside it looks really good and clean, but the outside has a lot of scuffs. But it's not really worn, it's just dirty. So I thought for $10 I can give it a try, especially that they price super high all the other Coach bags there. Next item, I could not find it. I couldn't find comps for it. But they're a cat, you know, Caterpillar cat brand, kind of like sandal shoes with low heel. I think 7.5, genuine leather. And I thought they were really cool, comfortable, perfect now for spring and even summer shoes. And they look brand new. Yeah. And I figured I'll give it a try. They were $10. Usually I don't like to spend too much, but that was a good deal. Next one, we have those clogs like this from Bionic, and thankfully they still don't know that Bionic is a really good brand. It sells quickly. So they priced it at $3.99, thankfully. Hopefully that will not change, because they're going crazy with their pricing. So they don't have much wear. They just need to be cleaned up just a little. Look good inside. I got them $3.99, no brainer. So like I said, I've been trying to get more men's items. So I saw those shoes, Forsheim. It's a good brand. Oh, let's see. But they're genuine leather, kind of maroon boots for men, I guess, yeah. And everything is leather. They have just a little wear, but nothing major. So I thought I'll give it a try. Oh, and they were $4. So they again didn't know that brand. That's why I got it. The next one are those Toms. Genuine suede. They also look new, or maybe they were tried on once. Sorry. Like camel color slip-on sneakers. I think they might be men's, not sure. I have to look up. 9.5. I don't know, maybe men's 9.5. They were $5, so I took them. Very nice, comfortable shoes. Next item, I might keep it for myself because I thought it was so cute. It's a little Ted Baker rose gold, like a cosmetic bag. I thought it was, or you could use it as clutch too. This little bow. I thought it was so cute. And it was $1.99, so I tried it. Sorry the video is so long, guys. I'm almost done. Thank you for sticking around and watching. Next item is Tory Burch pants with genuine leather trim here, and they're wool and they're navy, I think. Yes. And I got them because Tory Burch still has a lot of following. They were $10, but like I said, on everything I got 20% off. So, you know, it was okay. This item, I was like, this is so crazy looking. but it's kind of cool. Vintage wool and alpaca leather jacket made for Neiman Marcus in Italy, and it was only $2.50. So I thought I'd try. Look how cool. So 90s and 80s. Very cool. I think it's genuine vintage item. So I thought this was so cool. I had to take it. I mean, $2.50, guys. So we'll try. Vintage is kind of hit and miss, and I'm no expert for sure. And those boots are Timberland leather, like I guess they're dress shoes, but they're leather inside too. Comfort Zone, 8.5. I will clean them up, and I got them for $3.99, so I thought it was a good deal. And that's it for my haul. I hope you found out some new brands and give you idea for what can sell for how much. And like I said in my previous video, I'm trying to make a video where I will show everything that sold for over 50. You might see some of these items selling, and also I want to make video where I show how to look up brands that sell on the Real Real, what to look for when you're shopping, you know. And I understand some people don't like thrift stores. You can buy those things online. I had Carlos Falchi bag that I got on eBay in a lot, and that bag sold for I think around $100. So it's possible to just look up those brands and specifically shop for them online too, so if you don't want to leave the house. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. You really will be helping me, and share if you think anybody else might enjoy watching this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye guys.